Hi guys, today we are going to review Tecno Pop 7 Pro. It is a budget smartphone under $130. Let's start with the design and build quality of smartphone. At the back side you will find plastic material and the frame is also made by the plastic material. Overall thickness is 8.9mm, so it is not too much slim, you can say. Let's talk about Tecno Pop 7 Pro display. You will find 6.5 inches HD resolution IPS LCD panel, and here is very thick bezel. You will find 83% screen to body ratio. That is not very much good. If we will talk performance of the smartphone, you will find Android 12 and HIOS 12 out of the box, and MediaTek Helio A22 chipset, which is based on 12nm technology and 2.0 GHz clock speed. And for gaming you will find VR GPU. For storage and RAM there is only one option, that is 64/3, and with that you can use micro SD card as well. Let's talk about Tecno Pop 7 Pro camera. You will find dual camera at the back, 13 megapixel main camera. With that there is secondary lens and you can do only 1080p video recording on 30 fps. If we will talk about battery of Tecno Pop 7 Pro, there is 5000 mAh battery. You can easily use your smartphone 1 or 2 days, and with that you will find 10-watt fast charging support. So overall smartphone, you can say in this price range it is a fine. It is not too good, not too bad. So in this price it is a justifiable. If you can increase little bit in your budget, you should check out Realme 10 as well. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.